Hello everyone, I'm looking for inspiration today, so I thought I'd try this glossy magazine, but it just seems to be full of people who are younger, sexier, richer and more talented than I am. So at best it's making me feel inadequate, and at worst it's making me feel envious. So let's ditch that, we don't need that. We need to look elsewhere for our inspiration. What's this? Look, it's a little pebble, but on it has been painted an owl. How great is that? It's from Athens. Here we see another one, a little bronze one, and one that's been carved, because of course Athens, Athena, is the owl. This one's from Sicily, and in Italy they give the owl to the students to wish them luck with their exams. So let's think, from this we could make a vase, we could make a jar whose head comes off, we could make some little salt cellars, we could make a necklace, we could do a watercolour or some prints. Hey, we could even make a mosaic, and we could use that mosaic to talk about Brexit, using a parliament of owls as a metaphor as they stare at the parliamentary mace, wondering what it's all about. We could use the owl to illustrate a rhyme by Brian Sibley. And my personal favourite, we could use the owl and show him when he got married to the pussycat. This one's called Bride or Groom, because that question, are you with the bride or the groom, is superfluous in this case, because you're either an owl or a pussycat. So look at all the great things you can make inspired by a pebble.